Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technology Hell, and today I am going to show you that how can you fix the problem of a graphics card which is being overheated, or how can you replace or install thermal paste to your graphics card. So I have got a small pouch of thermal paste for just ₹10, and this will be enough for applying it on such a big graphics card like this MSI R7 360. This graphics card is of 2 GB, but after turning on the system it gets hang and does not respond anymore. So I have consulted some experts. They said try replacing the thermal paste. So the first thing you have to do is simply remove the 4 screws from back and eject off the heatsink from your GPU. So here I have taken off the screws, and let's keep it aside. And now just removing off the heatsink. Oh, it looks too dirty, and I think that's the reason why it is turning off. And here you can see this is the processor of the graphics card which has thermal applied over it, and this side is the heatsink connected to it. So the first thing you have to do is clean the heatsink perfectly so that there is no dust particles. So here you can see on this side of the fan there are 3 holes for putting the screws and fixing the fan. I have taken off the screws, and on this side from these 4 corners I have taken off the screw, and now I'll remove the heatsink and then clean up this section and even this area with lots of dirt. So you can see now how clean the graphics card board, the fan, the case and the heatsink has been with just the help of a toothbrush and a paintbrush. Now you are to remove the old thermal by a paintbrush by simply rubbing it on the chipset. Within some time you will see that the silver color has spread completely throughout the chipset, and then you are ready to wipe it. Take a piece of paper and just softly rub it over. Don't rub it hard, otherwise you may damage the chipset of your graphics card. So here you can see that I have cleaned the chipset of the graphics card, and it is completely as a mirror. As you can see, the reflection of my mobile's back cover is there. Other YouTubers might say you that use perfume, use this spray, that spray. I tell you, just take a piece of paper and start rubbing until it turns to a mirror finishing. And once you have cleaned it, we are ready to put the new thermal. So just get the packet of your new thermal and then just simply squeeze it over your chipset. And then you can leave some excessive of thermal in the center, and then get back the fan, connect it to your GPU board, and now just place it back. And here we have repaired our graphics card which was not getting cooled perfectly or was overheating. And it is looking better than before, as it was too dirty, and I have cleaned it from each and every corner and made it look brand new. So I hope you would have enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts, write down in the comments. Don't forget to give a like and surely subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.